Ever wondered what actually happens when you run your very first Git command? When you run git init in a terminal, you're telling Git to start tracking that folder as a repository. This single command transforms any ordinary directory into a Git managed project. You'll see a confirmation message, initialized empty Git repository, and version control is now active. The key thing git init does is create a hidden folder called .git inside your project directory. Hidden folders start with a dot, making them invisible in a normal file browser. But this folder is the heart of your entire repository. Remove it, and your whole history is gone. Inside .git, Git stores everything it needs, your full commit history, branch references, and configuration settings. Every file snapshot you've ever committed lives in there. Without it, there's no version control at all. Two important things to know. First, git init doesn't touch or delete any of your existing files. It's completely safe to run in a project you've already started. Second, you only run it once per project. Every git command after that automatically reads from and writes to that same .git folder. So to recap, git init creates a repository by placing a hidden .git folder in your directory that tracks everything. Run it once, and you're ready to version control your project. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.